I'm Christy Bemis with USAC and Flow Racing, and just like the rest of you, I have to change the oil in my car. Fortunately for me, and fortunately for all of you, AMSOIL has a brand new feature on their website which makes changing your oil easier than ever. All you have to do is get onto the AMSOIL website, go up in the top left corner of your screen to shop by vehicle. So if you're anything like me, you'll type in that you have a 2014 Kia Sorento, and AMSOIL will curate an oil change kit specifically for your needs. In my oil change kit came an oil filter, multiple quarts of AMSOIL oil for my car, exactly what it needs, a funnel, and even this sticker so that I don't forget to do it again. Remember next time you need an oil change to jump on AMSOIL.com, shop by vehicle, and get a curated oil change kit delivered right to your door.